Welcome, your holiday special trade of the day, brought to you as always by Day Trade the World. It's going to be Apple today, and I'm glad it's a long trade because, quite frankly, it hasn't been the best year, and it looked like this morning we could see another little bit of a sell-off, so I'm glad we found some bottoms in there. Going to always start out with the higher time frame. I got my daily chart up there to show you. I mean, Apple's down 1%, but look at this 130, 128 bottom channel on the daily. You go all the way back to midsummer when you put in these 128 lows, and then you had the 130 coming into play today. So I knew where that support was overall, and yes, I had some Tesla short, had some other names that were playing short side, still are as a matter of fact, but once we were coming down, I knew what I was looking for in Apple. There was a massive battle being waged when it got to 130. You can see the line in the sand. There were multiple breaks going 20 cents down, 30 cents down, 40 cents at absolute most, but it would always rebound and the buyers would come back into the market. This was in the midst of a little bit of a drop overall. And we're saying in the morning show, you know what? We're not going another leg down here unless Apple cracks this channel to said downside. But that works both ways. And in this case, all we waited for was that last little wick beneath the higher low, the break of the channel to the upside, and then we're long 130.5. And one of my favorite parts about this trade was when it broke the next channel up to 131. We always say averaging in or averaging up or down should be part of a plan and not just reactionary. Before I was even put to the decision at 131, I said, you know what? If we reverse off this, it should be a bigger move. This should not be a 25 or 50 cent scalp trade. That instance where you want to get out for that first 50-cent win, I'm thinking break and take more shares because you're going channel up, it's going further. We're going to get more, and we're going to play it for a bigger move because of that. So I end up adding to the position at 131. My first outs of both these are going to be at that 131.5. Then we're able to cover, wait for the 75, and then the 132. Now, the thing about a trade on a day like today, it being the last trading day before Christmas, is a lot of times the best moves will be early. So that's why you wanted to add to that position, figuring it's the best move of the day. You want to make sure you have more shares in that situation. So as it's going in your favor, take more. You might not be able to see it again. And lo and behold, when I get another wick low, higher low as well, I play off VWAP, not nearly as good of a trade. You're able to scalp it for 20, 30 cents, maybe a little bit more, but you're not getting the outsized move. This all comes with having a plan of action, knowing where strength is, knowing where your support is going to be, and understanding that you might only get one shot at a bigger move, and you want to make sure if it's an A+ setup, you put more shares on or add to your position as it goes up. That's why Apple's going to be your trade of the day here. As always, check out Day Trade the World if you're interested in starting your day trading journey, and happy holidays.